While you're taking in this sight, your mind is processing everything at lightning speed in just 13 milliseconds. This intricate biological code, orchestrated by 86 billion neurons, is the source of all our perceptions and creations. Today, we are turning this curiosity and reverence for the origins of intelligence into technology. In the era of machine intelligence, drones and robots are rapidly evolving, yet their minds, the MCU, still have a long way to go. This is precisely why Romindly exists. Robot mind defines the very domain we focus on. We bring together top scientific minds and cutting-edge industry expertise, integrating resources across the entire value chain to pursue one mission: powering smarter robot mind. To this end, building on the M1Q mini PC, we are about to introduce a brand new microcontroller, Mind. It's an exceptionally compact control core, a hardware platform as modular as building blocks, and a customizable foundation for intelligence. The stage for innovation is set. We look forward to creating the future together with you, powering smarter robot mind, Romindly.